Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have a glass which can hold a maximum volume of 473 cubic centimeters, which is approximately 16 fluid ounces. We're told that Jenny has a pitcher that contains 1 gallon of water. We're asked how many times could Jenny fill the glass with 1 gallon of water. So we're given here this conversion rate where 1 gallon is equal to 128 fluid ounces. So if we use that, we say, okay, this is going to be a fraction, right, where we can use a unit conversion to convert fluid ounces into gallons. Because if we multiply this fraction by 16 fluid ounces, then what happens? Well, this is multiplying 16 fluid ounces, which is the amount of water we're looking at, right? Our glass is 16 fluid ounces. We're converting that into gallons. So this is basically like multiplying by 1, right? If we have 6, we multiply it by 4 divided by 4. What is this equal to? Well, 4 divided by 4 is 1, so this is just 6 times 1, or 6. However, if we don't simplify, we just do 6 times 4 is 24 divided by 4, we now have a new denominator. It's the same thing here. We multiply these two, the unit cancels, and now we have a new unit, right? Here we have a new denominator, here we have a new unit, which is gallons. And so we have 1 times 16 gallons over 128. Right, this is 16 over 128, which is 1 over 8. So the glass that we have is 1/8 of a gallon. So if we have a pitcher that contains 1 gallon of water, how many times could we fill this up? Well, that would be 1 divided by 1 over 8, right? Which is 8, which makes sense. If you have 1/8 of a gallon, you can do it 8 times and that'll get you to a gallon. So 8, or B, is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.